Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're going to get into this pretty quick. I'm going to show you. A lot of people use Edge or Chrome, one of those two. There's tons of other browsers out there to use, Firefox, Brave, lots of them. So this works in just about all of them. So if you have your shortcuts opening up in a different browser and, for instance, like they're opening up in Edge, you want them to open in Chrome, and your default browser is not set, you can change this whenever you want. It's really easy, including with Windows 11. All you have to do is go down to your search bar, type in default, and you'll see default apps pop up. You'll click on that and then scroll down to the browser you want to use. So I'm going to select Google Chrome, and you'll see all these things for the browser that is set to default. So all these would be like shortcuts you would have, your PDF viewer. So all this is set to open in Edge. So if I want to set Google Chrome to be my default, I selected Chrome, so I just come up here and say set default, and it will change all those. Now, PDFs, if you want them to open in Edge, you can keep it as Edge, or you can change it. It likes to do this to you. Switch anyway, and then change it over to Chrome, set as default. Now you can also do that with an Adobe program or something like that, set it as default. So when you go to open a PDF, it opens it up in a separate program. And you can select all these individually how you want, but usually these are the default ones you want to set. And then from there, all your shortcuts will open with Chrome from now on. And if you want to switch it back to Edge or a different browser, come down, find Microsoft Edge, and see I'm in Edge, and I'd say set default, and it would change all those back. But it wouldn't change the PDF because you got to set that manually. So set to Edge, there we go, and there we go. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the quick one. Thanks.